Hello, and thank you for taking time to watch this video. We are discussing UbD, Understanding by Design. Today's video will focus primarily on Stage 1, Identify Desired Results. When using UbD, we follow this template. In Stage 1, we take time to consider what the outcome of this training is supposed to be. Who are we building this training for? So when deciding who we're building the training for, we need to consider which organization, school, or corporation we are designing this course for. What tasks will these students need to be able to do outside the classroom after receiving the training? So once we've identified who our target audience is and what type of skills or knowledge they need to have after completing this course, we need to capture our big idea. The big idea helps us understand what this class is for and what the students are going to take away from it. Next, we're going to take some time to identify our standards or competencies for this course. Competencies in some ways are the whole focus point of Stage 1. This is where we clearly define our expectations for what students need to take away from this course and what they will be able to do with what they've gained. Our competencies we define should be in line with what is expected by the organization. For example, if this training is to prepare someone to do a specific job, our training needs to make them capable of doing that job. Next, we'll look at transfer. This is where we identify what they should be able to take from the class and apply it outside of the class. Now let's take a look at meaning. Meaning is what the information in this course gives our students, or what do they understand after completing this course. That understanding is a little different than just a general learning or experiencing of the information, but rather diving deeper into it and understand the connections between the information they gain and actual application. So first thing you would want to do here is find some essential questions. These should be open-ended questions that really get the students thinking and help them explore the information and the ideas behind the information contained in this course. These essential questions are what we want to ask our students. And by going through this course, the understandings that we annotate here in this section will be gained by exploring those questions. We talk about the audience for this course, the big idea and the standards and competencies we have outlined, and then we took some time to explore the meaning and the understanding process of the course and really diving into the application of that information and making those connections. Now let's talk about what students take away from the course, the acquisitions section. So the first part of this is knowledge. This is just basic ideas, facts, and concepts, things that the student needs to just know at a bare minimum to move forward from this training and do their job or move forward in the next step of their training process. Then, after we take some time to identify those basic facts and we put those in this knowledge section, then we'll go into skills. This is where we talk about what they should be able to do or what they should be skilled at doing. So, hey, I'm going to do this job. I need to know these things, and I need to be skilled and capable at applying that knowledge. Remember, this template is a roadmap to successfully designing a course to promote and achieve true understanding. Stage 1 is where we identify what we want to accomplish, and the coming stages will continue to zero in on our course design and structure. Thanks again for watching this video.